Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So I've just received this Matchbox collector case and in this video we'll be unboxing it together. So it is the MBX Collector GBJ48 series box by the Mattel, and as it's mentioned that it's collector series, so these are not the mainline cars, and this indicates that these cars would be of better quality and detailing than the regular Matchbox cars. So let's unbox it and see what's inside. So as you can see, the code is written on both the sides, which is GBJ48. So now let's take a look inside, and there are 8 cars as per mentioned on the box. So the first one car coming out of the box is a 1990 Chevy Corvette ZR1 in a bright red color. And before we move further in this video, I'd like to tell you that there are more of such exciting videos are planned, so if you haven't subscribed then you must. And there will also be a giveaway when we complete 2000 subscribers. So now coming back to the video. This is the 1984 Toyota MR2, which is of Matchbox Collector series and has got the number 9 out of 20 in the series. Talking about this car, it is a well-known Japanese racing car which is very famous for its mid-engine layout. That makes it very popular among the car enthusiasts. And here we can see a great red, white and black racing livery that looks really cool with the sporty wheels. This car has a metal body with a plastic base, that's why its paint is looking quite shiny and it's giving it a great look. The second one and the most beautiful car of this box is the 1988 Porsche 911 Turbo Slant Nose, and it's really looking beautiful in this black color. This has got the number 10 series out of the 20 of the Matchbox Collector series. This Porsche is a legendary German sports car, and especially this version, which is of the slant nose, makes it quite different from the other 911s. The reason being its slant nosed is of that it is a race inspired one and it makes it more aggressive. And out of these 8 cars from the box, I've got 2 of this Porsche Slant Nose 911. Now we have the 2020 Chevy Corvette. That is again looking great in the red and yellow color combination. And this one has a really good and detailed sponsor stickering on it as well. So here's the number 4 out of 20, which makes it number 4 in the series. And again, this car is looking really beautiful from all the angles, which makes it one of the best models that collectors need. Next up is the 2023 Dodge Charger Pursuit. It is the number 1 in the series out of these 20 cars, and this Dodge Charger Pursuit is looking really beautiful and its wheels are especially very unique, as these wheel covers are also going with the livery. So here it is also mentioned 2023 Dodge Charger. So now comes the car that we got first out of the box. So I've got 2 of these 1990 Chevy Corvette ZR1. This car is a special one as it is also called as the King of the Hill Corvette. This was made by Corvette to show that the Americans can also make the world-class sports cars that can compete with Porsche or Ferrari, such as the European big brands. That makes this car special in its own kind. So here it is mentioned the number 8, which makes it the number 8 in the series, 1990 Chevy Corvette ZR1. This car, the Porsche 356A, has got a really vintage and classy look that makes it one of the favorite models for the collectors. This model is the 11 in the series of these 20 models. This car made a really great influence in the Porsche's racing history and was one of the most important models that Porsche made in the earlier times. Hope you enjoyed the video till now, and now we'll take a closer look at these cars.